If you're an ASUS TUF F15 user, you need to know how to fix screen flickering. Let's get started. First, update your graphics drivers and Windows. Outdated software can cause all sorts of issues. Next, check your display settings. Go to Settings, Watch System Display. Advanced Display Settings, and ensure the refresh rate matches your monitor's specifications, e.g. 60Hz, 144Hz. And ensure your refresh rate matches your monitor specifications. Still flickering? Boot into safe mode. If the flicker stops, it might be a third-party app. Open Task Manager using Ctrl+Shift+ESC. If Task Manager flickers, it's likely a hardware or display driver issue. If only other apps flicker, it could be app-specific. Try disabling hardware acceleration in your apps. Sometimes this simple change can work wonders. Check all your physical connections inside the laptop and external monitors. Loose or damaged cables can cause flickering. Turn off adaptive brightness in your display settings. It can sometimes adjust brightness incorrectly. Run hardware diagnostics using ASUS tools, and update your BIOS UEFI from the ASUS support website. For stubborn issues, a system restore or factory reset might be necessary. If none of these steps work, it could be a hardware defect. Contact ASUS support for professional help, or visit a qualified tech to assist you. Like and share if this helped. Skills Fix TT. Fixing the way.